right, and hello to all the ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vikrant Pava, and you're watching Video with Vikrant. And this is our first episode, and I am very happy to introduce to you my first guest on the show today. He is a lawyer, a home chef, an entrepreneur, a food blogger, an Instagram influencer, but above all, he is the founder admin of the Home Chef Association of India, very popularly known as HCAI. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Anshuman Sood.
Thank you, Vikrant. Thank you, Vikrant, for having me here.
You're welcome, sir. You're very welcome. And I am very happy that you're here. And I am extremely happy that you're on my first episode. You are here with me on my show. I am very happy. Thank you very much. आपका बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Vikrant, for giving me this honor and to be on Video with Vikrant. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, Home Chef Association of India, which is your platform, which is your story, which today is something that takes up a lot of your time. I really want to ask you this question. How it started?
So, Vikrant, before we go on to how it all started,
Hanji.
I would like to share, how my love for food started.
Okay.
As I was a kid. So, it all started when I was in school. And
School, you just said school. What school were you in?
I was in modern school.
Modern Vasant Vihar?
Vasant Vihar.
Barakhamba.
Vasant Vihar.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Modern Vasant Vihar isn't that's the best school. So
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, Vikrant, I would like to tell you that in the afternoons, we used to come back from school and watch a lot of TV shows like Khana Khazana, and then Yan Can Cook, So Can You. So they were. It made me, try dishes with my mother, and we used to go to the market and buy the ingredients. And सबसे पहले मैंने एक ढोकला बनाया, so that was something very different for me.
Yeah.
And then इतना पैशन था फूड का घर पे कि क्या क्या खाना है, क्या बाहर की चीज़ें, all the snacks and all we used to try. So that included, and by 9 or 10 when I was there, so I used to start cooking at home.
Right.
So I would just like to share. So I was so enamored with the cooking shows that we wanted to follow the recipes, and then eventually I started making my own dishes.
Right. Coming to your own dishes,
Yeah.
you just mentioned, I've seen your video where you use quinoa juice in mutton.
Yeah. So in my experiment with food,
Haji.
it took me to the level where I started using some ingredients and playing with them. So quinoa is one of my favorite fruit,
Haji.
which comes in some part of the season, which is the winters.
Yes.
And we used it with curd and whole spices.
Right.
खड़े मसाले. मेरी cooking में मैं चाहता हूँ कि cooking पूरी non mixy, non apparatus, पुराने ज़माने के तरीके से हाथ से पूरा
Right.
हो without any pressure cooker.
Right.
So ये सब दादी माँ और नानी की रेसिपीज हैं
हाँ जी.
which are coming about, and quinoa को डाल के जो है ना आपका एक you get this very sweet flavor and very nice. So that is one.
हाँ जी.
And आपने काढ़ा देखा है मेरा?
हाँ correct, वो आपका rose petals वाला.
Yeah.
That's quite. That's quite.
Rose petal का
हाँ,
काढ़ा.
हाँ जी.
So
उसमें और क्या what else is?
So उसमें हम डालते हैं fresh ginger,
हाँ जी.
crush करके, roughly crushed by hand.
हाँ जी.
Then हम डालते हैं लौंग, इलायची, दालचीनी.
हाँ जी.
और just it is up to you. You can put anything else.
हाँ जी.
So that fresh mint leaves.
हाँ जी.
With आप सीधा गर्म पानी में डाल सकते हैं या आप you can put it on the gas.
Right.
So that is there.
Right. So that's lovely, and obviously because like you said, it's the Home Chef Association of India. So how do you mentor the home chefs?
So, Vikrant, this also started in sometime in 2016, and one of my very dear friend Tina, so she asked me that you should do something that you're passionate about. So I took up my professional journey as a lawyer in the studies and academically, but my passion for cooking remained, and it started and was going on. In the same breath, I felt that it is something that is my dream, and uh, I feel, and everybody should also go about with that. You can't die with your dream, so you have to go about doing something about it.
You can't die with your dreams.
Yeah. So.
That's a lovely line, sir. That's a really lovely line.
So
Sorry to interrupt you.
something that I was passionate, I found there's something missing in all the food groups and the chef groups that we were joined. But just to come back to it, we wanted a platform where interaction of chefs and the home chefs could be possible, and also they will share recipes with each other, and more interactive events. Social media is there, but then interaction, human interaction is very important.
हाँ जी.
So human interaction is very important. For that we did that, and all my experience of doing a lot of events as a kid, and in school and college, that helped me in organizing these activities. So with that, we have a great team. With that, we are able to do it.
What kind of activities? I mean, what kind of events? Because I have attended a few, but
Yes.
but some of the I think there was one that you mentioned the other day about the events.
Yeah, the one was the cook to chef.
Yes, of course, right. Yes.
So one of the very important events that we did was cook to chef, which was with the Molecule and very leading restaurant and bar in Gurgaon and in Delhi, and we were very privileged to be their partners with that. And it had 7 episodes in over 7 months, in which 7 home chefs were given this opportunity to go live cooking, and it follows a master chef kind of format.
Correct.
So you're cooking live,
Correct.
and there are celebrity judges,
Correct.
and there's audience, and it was path breaking.
Right.
Until date, you will not believe. So I have been in touch with all the participants,
Right.
and the life has changed.
Right.
And I would also, in the same breath, tell you that how we mentor chefs.
हाँ जी.
So mentor chefs, what I want to share with everybody, that if you are a home chef, you are at home, you're cooking dishes. So there are 3 or 4 ways in which you can put it across. So one is you can give some recipes, you can teach.
Right.
So you can teach recipes, you can call people at home and teach them. Secondly, you can have pop-ups like our dear friend Sneha.
Yes.
She does. So you can have pop-ups in which people will come, taste your cuisine. She does Assamese cuisine, and then you can sell your food. Like we have Abhilasha,
Yes.
we have Sonali, Sachi Jain.
Yes.
So all of them, Rekha. So many more, and all of them are doing great stuff. So you can do that, and some of them they do a mix of all.
Yes, of course.
So you can do that, and then our dear friend Nidhi Mahajan, they have a homegrown brand called Mom and Me, and we are mentoring them, and it's a mother and daughter and daughter-in-law, combination.
Yes.
And they have
their Hari Mirch achar
Hare Achar, yes.
is phenomenal.
और मेरे वो एक आम के अचार दे मेक 2 kinds of आम का अचार.
हाँ जी.
तो एक with the skin,
हाँ जी.
एक without skin, और मुझे वो old style with skin is my favorite.
No, but that Hari Mirch
Yeah.
achar is
So we have some fans here of Mom and Me. So yes, kudos to the team.
हाँ जी.
So that is there. And coming back to the events, so that was a great line. We did that cook to chef, and then we have had great opportunities. We have worked with the leading Peruvian cuisine restaurant called Nueva with Vikrant Batra, and also we did an event with the Embassy of Peru. So Embassy of Peru, hosted the event,
हाँ जी.
in which our team members were there, home chefs were there for the master class.
हाँ जी.
So there was a master class of Peruvian cuisine.
हाँ जी.
That was very unique and very nice. So we did that. We've done a campaign also with Perfetti, Just Jelly.
हाँ जी. Yes.
So it was an all India campaign where Just Jelly was used in, we generally jelly is, people think, you can make these Western desserts
हाँ जी.
and you can make, cupcakes and something like that. So we innovated it, and the home chefs with their own experience. We got Just Jelly in a sandesh.
हाँ जी.
We got Just Jelly in kheer, Just Jelly in gulab jamun. You know, to that level.
Right.
And so yes, events have been great.
But this all sounds very exotic.
Yeah.
I mean, so I mean, when it's so exotic, are the prices also like exorbitant, or I mean, are the pricing like what is your view about the gap in pricing and?
I feel there is something in the community that that home chefs, some dishes are very exorbitant, and some are undervaluing themselves also.
Okay. Yes.
They could have priced it a little more, but they've undervalued. Some are exorbitant. I feel these things are taken care by market conditions, and if you go a little beyond what it should be the rate, even though there are these other factors when you are comparing them with a restaurant or Hindustan Lever or any FMCG, because they don't have that scales.
Right.
So the cost of production and the cost of the dish will be more, and sometimes you're using these high ingredients which are fresh.
Right.
So artificial flavoring is very it's not that expensive as fresh ingredients. So there's a difference in both. I feel the market is the best judge.
Right.
And if you are pricing it right, then only you can sell. You can't make a fool of anybody.
Correct. No,
It's hard-earned money. People know where they will put it in.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. But of course, I mean, there must be obviously now that you have done so much activity in this whole space. I would really want to ask you: do you have a lovely, beautiful food memory? Do you have tell us about a good food memory that you have?
It's a little funny memory that I have,
हाँ जी.
as a kid.
अच्छा.
और इतना foodie थे कि क्या खाना है, क्या टीवी पे देख रहे हैं, उससे काफ़ी इनामर होते थे.
हाँ जी.
तो मुझे याद है मैंने अपने घर पे एक बारी एक प्रेस्टीज का कुकर ऑर्डर करवा दिया.
Okay.
अपनी मदर के पीछे पड़ के.
अच्छा.
क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी एड में हमने देखा जी जब वो दिखा रहे हैं और वो कुकर अभी खाने के लिए रेडी हो रहा है तो उसमें बैंगन घुसे थे.
हाँ जी.
और जब वो खुला तो उसमें बटर चिकन आया.
Really? No. Are you serious? Are you serious?
अब देखिए वो उस टाइम गिमिक था फ्रॉम द एड.
Okay.
हमने वी टेक इट फ्रॉम लाइट एज इट इज.
You took it literally.
लिटरली हाउ इट इज
कि बैंगन गया और बटर चिकन निकला. ये बताइए.
हमें ये वाला कुकर चाहिए.
राइट. तो फिर उसमें से बैंगन डाला आपने?
हाँ.
बटर चिकन निकला?
नहीं
निकला. क्या निकला? बैंगन का भरता. करेक्ट.
वापस. सो यस वो था. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दैट मैं चलता रहा, ये कारवा बनता रहा.
Yes, of course.
तो very important.
No. You have a very large following, sir. You have a very large following. And जब आपकी और मेरी तस्वीर साथ में जब हम whenever I get the opportunity and whenever we are in a picture together, I get the maximum likes. Obviously, because वो होते तो आपके हैं. But yes, you are
such a passionate foodie and such a passionate person yourself.
Thank you.
कि आपका प्यार सब निकलता है आगे.
No, thank you. No, of course, yeah, but yes, sir, you have created a very strong following for yourself over the years.
I would in the same breath would like to introduce my team to everybody.
Please.
So we have Tina Chandan, who is the admin with us. She is a passionate home chef, then and a school friend. And then we have Bhavya Narang, who is a leading influencer of the country. And we have Nitish. They are both married now.
This is your core team.
Yes.
At the Home Chef Association of India, HCAI.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. And then we have Sushrit, who's also a leading blogger and a home chef. He
Right.
likes to cook a lot of dishes. And then we have Nidhi Mahajan, who's there and seeing the marketing.
हाँ जी.
And we have Ankita Mahajan as the creative head.
Okay.
And then we have a lot of our mentor chefs.
हाँ जी.
Without them, we could not have created this platform. So we have Ashish Chopra,
Right.
the leading chef of the country.
हाँ जी, correct, of course.
And then we have Nishant Chaube,
Yes.
with whom we've done many events.
Many. In fact, lockdown में तो आपने उनके साथ live भी बहुत करा है.
Yes, we have done a lot of lives with
हाँ
him.
जी.
And then we have Chef Harangat,
हाँ जी.
courtesy
Superstar
Bharat.
chef
Yes.
celebrity Harangat Singh.
Yes, yes, yes.
उन्होंने तो उन्होंने तो जलवा
giving
करा
us
था.
great food.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
I mean,
and excellent human being.
yes, yes. He's the word humble is also
Yeah,
humble
yeah,
to express how humble he is.
Yes.
मतलब he's phenomenal. He's phenomenal.
We have Chef Michael Swami.
हाँ जी.
We've done a lot of master classes with
Yes.
him. One with Panasonic.
हाँ जी.
Yeah. We have Chef Sanjay Raina.
हाँ जी.
Sanjay ji ka
Mealability.
mealability. Yes.
वो तो पृथ्वीराज रोड पे अब
Yes,
तो वो
yes.
तो हाँ जी.
Excellent food.
Yes, of course.
If you want to have the feeling of good, Kashmiri cuisine,
हाँ जी.
mealability is the real answer. And then we have many chefs who've been our backbone.
Absolutely, absolutely, and with such a strong team.
Yes.
Sir, I would really want to ask you, what's the future?
See, future of home chefs is big in this country,
Okay.
and मैं तो कह रहा हूँ lockdown में तो it was the time
Yeah.
of the home chefs.
It was.
And our motto is घर घर हर घर home chef.
हर घर home chef.
Yes.
As in really हर घर home chef. मतलब मैं.
It is already there.
Okay.
It is already there.
But this is a
आपकी
lovely
mother,
line,
आपकी
right.
mother, आपकी दादी, नानी वो कर रही है, उनको recognition मिलनी चाहिए,
Right.
उनकी recipes होनी चाहिए.
Right.
It is our culture.
Right.
It is our culture which should be there, which is preserved.
Right.
That is very important.
Right.
So that is the motto, and I would like to share some future trends.
Please.
Yeah. So I feel there's certain suggestions for the home chefs. If anybody wants to, become one and go ahead in this, so have a, FSI license, very important.
That's mandatory
Yes,
now, sir.
yes, yes.
FSSAI license
Yes.
is now mandatory.
Yes. So
You can't function without
follow
it.
the law.
Right.
Do not evade the law.
Right.
Follow the law.
Right.
Get your papers right.
Right.
Maintain hygiene, very important. Hygiene, quality, buy local, buy fresh.
Right.
Don't get enamored with big ingredients and big recipes.
Right.
Try to give whatever you are. Don't try to compete with a restaurant.
Right.
Don't try to compete with a FMCG product.
Right.
Offer what you are.
Right.
Don't try to make your own, something that you are not.
Correct. Absolutely. No, absolutely.
Yes. So that is very important.
Your personality should reflect in your product.
Yes. और घर का प्यार, love is the secret
Yes,
ingredient.
absolutely. You have to be sincere to your product.
And food में love is the main
Absolutely.
ingredient.
Absolutely. I completely
वो
agree
जो
with you.
आप आराम से बना रहे हो, जो
Right.
कड़ी है वो
Right.
कड़ रही है,
Right.
इतने टाइम में बनी है,
Right.
उसकी बात ही अलग है.
Correct. Absolutely.
And you yourself are proponent of home chefs. You have encouraged and shown them, great popularity. And we are quite, honored that you are doing all this.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I am a big fan of the home chefs because I feel that they can offer a taste which is totally and absolutely unique. Because what you can get from one restaurant, you can get from another restaurant because they all follow professional standards and they all have industrial standards. But what a home chef can offer, only a home chef can offer.
Yes.
You cannot get that taste or you cannot match that taste. So sometimes I feel that the prices of home chefs are kind of priceless because you cannot, and also you see you have to order 2-3 days in advance or sometimes 4 days in advance. There's a process to it, there is a method to it. So having a meal from a home chef is a completely different experience. It's not something that you can compare it to a restaurant or to a hotel or to a cloud kitchen or anything for that matter. A home chef is a home chef. मेरे को तो याद है जैसे like in the 80s or the 70s or the 90s, we used to exchange food within friends and family.
Yeah.
और वो कहते थे ना कि कभी डब्बा खाली वापस
हाँ,
नहीं
वापस
देना
नहीं
चाहिए.
देना, yes,
You know,
वो
तो
tradition is there,
हाँ,
yes.
तो अगर किसी ने डब्बे में कुछ डाल के दिया तो फिर हम भी
वापस
when we return the box, we have to put something into the box.
Very important.
So of course now things have changed. People are living lives differently.
Yeah.
So now you're paying a certain price for that brilliance that a home chef brings forward.
Yes.
So yes, sir. I'm very overwhelmed because the way you have explained what the future holds for the home chefs and how you are mentoring the home chefs and how you put the platform together and how you help them. It's really beautiful. But this is something that obviously you're doing with the established होम शेफ्स, मतलब ऑलरेडी जो लोग एस्टैब्लिश्ड हैं एंड बहुत लोग बहुत अच्छे से एस्टैब्लिश्ड हैं एंड उनके बारे में लोग जानते भी हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ विजिबिलिटी ऑन सोशल मीडिया व्हिच इज ऑन फेसबुक एंड व्हिच इज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. But what is it that you truly suggest for the newcomers, for the budding home chefs, for the youngsters? Because today there are a very large number of very young and very, very talented home chefs who are also somehow even trained in bakery or in some other cooking skill. In नए लोगों के लिए आपकी क्या सलाह? What are your suggestions for the new boys and the new girls?
Yes.
Not just the boys.
No,
But
they are
by the way,
progressing.
No, but by the way, are there more boys or are there more girls?
60% in the group is women.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a women-led, and yes, some men like me
Yes, of course.
who like to cook.
Yes, of course.
And for the love of the food.
Absolutely.
So I have some suggestions for the young and budding home chefs, and so again I will tell that FSI license is the most important. Complete your paperwork before you enter the stream and entering the monetization angle and selling your food, and showcase your work in the social media channels, which can be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and do follow leading home chefs and also chefs, and follow trends, what is happening, and showcase your ingredients, your way of presentation of the food, and also the dishes, and the price point. So a customer should know, what they are getting, what is how it is getting made, all that, and then give some use local ingredients.
हाँ जी.
Very important. And in today's time, health is a big subject, and one of the reasons of ordering food from a home is that people feel more comfortable with the food, and they know that it will be made in an environment which is safe. So in that sense, include things which will include immunity boosters,
हाँ जी.
आंवला और ऐसी चीज़ें कुछ, there should be something like that. So these are things which I feel are very important
Right.
in today's time.
Right. So, sir, I mean, it's of course great that you're talking about all these budding home chefs and the fact that they have to speak about their product and do the whole FSSAI license and everything. But I mean, very honestly, sir, what about food photography?
Very important.
हाँ जी.
Food photography is very important. Very important to be able to showcase your food and showcase your work.
हाँ जी.
Vikrant, it is one of the basic skill,
Yes.
that a person should have.
हाँ जी.
And not that you have very expensive equipment.
Okay.
It is a sense of photography.
Right.
Which you will take time, but you will eventually get it.
हाँ जी.
So that is very important, and the way you write it also.
हाँ जी.
Some writing skills are also
Yes.
important.
Yes.
So you need to express.
Right.
It is all about the writing medium.
हाँ जी.
And also to upload videos,
Okay.
Going beyond photography is more of vlogging now.
हाँ जी.
You have some videos so that you see everything in movement.
Right.
So yes, very important.
Of course, I mean, with food photography, because of course, if all these youngsters, if they want presence on Instagram and but I think most of, let's see, this is another new story now that I've seen, that mostly the new home chefs and the young ones are all on Instagram. They just don't like Facebook. I mean, they're allergic to Facebook. I mean,
I will like to just clarify one thing,
Haan ji.
which even a lot of brands come to us, a lot of home chefs come to us, a lot of chefs come to us with campaigns. India still, I think, is a Facebook market.
right, of course.
Yes.
Of course.
And the people that your customers are in Facebook.
Right.
So whatever you post, yes, Instagram is good for having a following and putting your word across.
Right.
But the orders would more come from Facebook.
I feel so too.
So
yes.
that is very important, and you should, in fact, do 50-50 content.
No,
That
but
is-
there are some people
that is
who,
good enough.
but there are some people who don't even have an account on Facebook. I mean, they are allergic to Facebook, literally. I mean, they are so obsessed with Instagram that they are so, and somehow उनकी दुकान चल भी रही है Instagram से. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी नहीं चल रही है दुकान. I mean, probably the market share that they want to tap is very limited, or they have a very specific approach. Like they only want to cater to a certain kind of people and certain type of people. So they're very happy with the kind of market approach that they have because of Instagram. They actually don't even have an account on Facebook. I mean, it's very surprising.
Vikrant, we are giving suggestions
Ji.
that they should have, but it is all the personal
Absolutely,
choice of
absolutely.
a person.
Correct.
And we are giving reasonings also.
Ji,
There are people who are on Facebook that you will get. But if you are a niche product, you want to go and get tagged with some hashtags.
Yes.
You want to remain in some particular niche, then it is their call.
Of course.
Yeah. So
Absolutely.
It's both is anyways well enough. There are a lot of YouTubers, they don't do anything on any other medium.
Correct.
So,
That's true too. Yeah.
So it's anybody's thing how they want to go ahead.
3 favorite spots in Delhi of Anshuman Sood. At number 1, please tell me.
Number 1 is Arabian Nights.
Vasant
Vasant
Vihar. Yes. Priya के सामने.
Priya के
Correct.
सामने. School time से जाना.
हाँ, correct.
And Doner kebab in the same place.
correct,
and
correct.
Grilled chicken.
Correct. वो तो ये तो सब कुछ हो गया ना.
सरदार जी वही है.
हाँ, सरदार जी वही है. ठीक है. And number 2.
Number 2 काका का ढाबा.
Connaught Place. Of course. वो तो सर legendary. आपने वहाँ पे कभी बटेर खाया है?
नहीं.
As a child, अब तो खैर नहीं मिलता. My father, he used to take us there, and वहाँ पे उस जमाने में सर, I'm talking about 70s और 80s, वहाँ पे बटेर की डिश होती थी. हाँ, अब तो खैर कोई चांस ही नहीं है.
वो कोई शादी में कहीं कभी मिलता है.
हाँ, नहीं, बट काके द होटल में मैंने वहाँ पे I have had, and that is my fondest memory of काके द होटल.
Great.
हाँ जी. Okay, so that's and at number 3.
Number 3 will be again street food.
Okay.
So this chicken curry at Raindar ka dhaba.
Oh yes, of course. That's legendary. That is legendary. मतलब that is a story in itself.
So,
that's a story. मतलब where did he start from, and today he's captured the whole market. I mean that is huge. That's a very very big story.
So
Rajendra ka dhaba is a.
That also shows. So these are very basic dishes and iconic dishes of Delhi.
Right.
So food is not so complicated.
Right.
जितना बनाया हुआ है.
Right.
And simple ingredients with the love of the food.
Absolutely.
और दोनों तरफ से प्यार होना चाहिए.
हाँ जी.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
हाँ जी.
खाने वाले को भी प्यार होना चाहिए, खिलाने वाले को भी प्यार होना चाहिए.
और सर मैंने सुना है खीर आपकी फेवरेट.
Yes.
हाँ? ये तो मुझे मतलब ये तो मेरे डिटेक्टिव्स से मैंने पता करी है. तो खीर कहाँ खाते हैं आप सबसे अच्छे?
खीर we are waiting for your launch.
That's going to happen soon. But otherwise, I mean, आप घर पे बनाते हैं खीर?
खीर मेरे घर पे बनती है, very light and simple.
खुद बनाते हैं?
मैं खुद भी बनाता हूँ.
कितनी देर? How long do you take? I mean, how many hours do you take to make खीर?
विक्रांत, मैं एक खीर बनाता हूँ, गुड़ की खीर.
Okay.
So it is little different.
हाँ जी.
Takes about 2.5-3 hours.
Okay.
Very slow cooking and.
But why good?
I don't like sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, so alternative I picked up good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
आपका एक alternative अलग है.
I'm using honey.
Yes.
I'm using honey.
Of this royal honey. Royal खीर.
नहीं, आप अपने I want to know about your खीर. I want to know about the खीर that you cook in your own house. आप उसमें मतलब क्या क्या डालते हैं? मतलब dry fruits, because I'm only using almonds.
Yes.
But आप बताइए आप क्या क्या डालते हैं उसमें?
हम डालते हैं अंजीर भी डालते हैं.
Okay.
हाँ, अंजीर, बादाम, किशमिश.
Okay.
इतना ही डालते हैं. साथ में कॉन्डिमेंट्स अगेन, मतलब द स्पाइसेस. सो दालचीनी, लौंग.
ओके. और सर इसमें चावल का भी कुछ स्पेसिफिक होता है? बिकॉज जो लॉन्ग ग्रेन होता है वो इसमें
मैं ट्राई किया है, ब्राउन राइस में ट्राई किया है मैंने. या थोड़ा टाइम लगता है.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
या तो ब्राउन राइस में मैंने ट्राई किया.
अच्छा.
नाइस. वो इट मैचेस विद गुड़, तो अच्छा उसकी कॉम्बिनेशन.
ओके.
और मैं उसमें एक आपको और टिप देता हूँ.
बताइए.
तो हाफ खीर हाफ फिरनी इफेक्ट भी देते हैं.
अच्छा.
थोड़े चावल हम पीस लेते हैं.
ओके.
वो फिरनी जैसा टेक्सचर आ जाता है.
राइट.
अब यही है.
नहीं,
अब आप घर पे ग्रेइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट करें. दिस इज
नहीं, ये तो खबर मेरे को पक्की मिली थी. मैंने डिटेक्टिव लगाए थे आपके पीछे कि आपको खीर का बहुत शौक है.
सो इन द सेम ब्रेथ आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ मैसेज टू ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स. यू एक्सपेरिमेंट ग्रेट फूड विद होम शेफ्स. जो खाना कहीं आपने सोचा नहीं, कहीं मिलता नहीं, वो वहीं मिलेगा.
So, sir, thank you very, very much for your time. It was really, really wonderful, and I'm sure that you've given us a lot of information and knowledge and food for thought. But I would still want to ask you at the end of the show, sir, what is your motto? Or rather, I should say, on the platform of the Home Chef
Home Chef
Association of
Association.
India, Haji. What is your motto as a
Vikrant,
Haji?
Home Chef Association is there for everybody to connect
Haji.
for the love of food. हर घर होम शेफ एंड सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ
हर घर Home Chef.
हर घर होम शेफ और सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ फूड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है
हाँ जी.
और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड विद माय डियर फ्रेंड विक्रांत एंड अ ग्रेट टीम which has gone behind all this who will be also shared in the end of the video and I am very happy to be here with Vikrant and my best wishes to Vikrant to all your efforts later on in all the shows that we are looking forward to.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.
It was a real pleasure of having you on my show. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
We'll say goodbye with our signature thumbs up.